You are a sales analyst who has built a Power BI report using local Excel data. You need to enable your colleagues to view and collaborate on the insights. Which two steps should you take? Option A, anchor report visualizations to a dashboard. Option B, download the underlying data as a file. Option C, distribute the dashboard to a cloud workspace. Option D, grant access to the dashboard for other users. The goal here is to shift from a local, isolated file to a collaborative environment within Power BI. Think about the standard workflow for moving from an individual's desktop environment to a shared organizational space. We need to identify the specific actions that facilitate viewing and interaction for other team members, rather than simply offloading the raw data itself. In my view, the correct answers are option A and option D. To share your work from Power BI Desktop to the service, you first need to consolidate your key insights. Pinning report visualizations to a dashboard is the standard way to prepare these insights for sharing. Once you have created that dashboard, you use the share functionality to grant access to your colleagues, which allows them to interact with the findings directly in the cloud. Now, why are the other options incorrect? Option B is wrong because downloading the data as a static file creates a local copy, which defeats the purpose of collaborative reporting. Option C is technically incorrect regarding terminology, as you publish reports or files to a workspace rather than distributing a dashboard to a workspace in that manner. A key tip for the exam is to remember that dashboards are the primary vehicles for sharing in the service, and pinning is the essential first step.